Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for Mathematics 3, Quarter 3, Week 1, Day 3. Our topic for today is presenting data in a single vertical bar graph. Activating prior knowledge. Discuss the answer to Assessment 2 to the learners. Ask the learners the following questions. What is a bar graph? A bar graph is a visual representation of data where bars are used to show the number of each outcome or category. What kind of bar graph did we study yesterday? We studied horizontal bar graph. What are the parts of bar graph? Here are the parts of a bar graph. Lesson Purpose Intention: to present data in a single vertical bar graph. Lesson Language Practice. Everybody will going to read the lesson language practice. Developing understanding of the key idea STEM. Bar graph for tossing a coin. The data in a horizontal bar graph can also be presented using a vertical bar graph. Expected outcome we have constructed is as vertical bar graph. Identifying similarities and differences. The title are the same. Both bar graphs represent the same data. The category labels are swapped. In the horizontal bar graph, the possible outcomes are listed vertically, while in the vertical bar graph, they are listed horizontally. The numbers are written horizontally in the first graph, but vertically in the second one. Which bar graph do you prefer for presenting data and why? The answers may vary. Both bar graphs displays the same data. However, choosing the right bar graph, horizontal or vertical, helps make the data easier to understand and compare. The key points for choosing between a horizontal or vertical bar graph. Horizontal bar graph, best for data with long labels, example, wash the dishes, sweep the floor, or many categories. Vertical bar graph, best for data with short labels, example, head, tails, or when comparing values over time, example, months and years. Deepening understanding of the key idea STEM. Absentees in grade 3 Molabe for 1 week. For Monday, we have 2. For Tuesday, we have 3. For Wednesday, we have 6. For Thursday, we have 5. And for Friday, we have 7. Here is the expected answer bar graph. The title of this graph is Absentees in Grade 3 Mulabe for 1 week. Here are the data. For Monday, we have 2. For Tuesday, we have 3. For Wednesday, we have 6. For Thursday, we have 5. And for Friday, we have 7. Making generalization and abstraction. To summarize the lesson, ask the following questions to the learners. What is a bar graph? A bar graph is a visual representation of data where bars are used to show the numbers of each outcome or category. Teacher Marga asked the learners of grade 3 ipin-ipin about their favorite subjects. She recorded their answer in table. Math, 11 learners. Science, 9 learners. English, 8. Filipino, 7. History is 5. Construct a vertical bar graph that shows how many learners like each subject. Use the grid below as a guide. Some parts have already been labeled for you. Use a scale where each bar represents one learner. Expected answer is
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to count, read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!